Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to remove phone number from Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, let's open Facebook. Then open menu. Scroll it down. Now click on Settings and Privacy, then on Settings, and now on Personal Information. Click on Contact Info. Then click on your phone number. Now click on Remove. Now check the line and after click on Remove Number. After you need to enter your password. After click on Remove Phone and that's it. Your phone number is removed. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to put a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you next time. Bye!